Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Police Officer with a Flying Motorcycle. It's going to be a pretty cool game. I've already played it and trust me, it's very cool. And I'm almost close to 2,000 for this epic one too. And it has brand new levels I can complete too. And then that one, there's so many levels. I love this game so much. And be make sure to like and subscribe. Please do that like right now, please. Okay, I think you already did it. Now, so this is how it works. Basically, you have to get to the golden star, but first you have to go to those green things. So first you have to lift up this thing, and it's kind of hard to show you guys how to play because you're supposed to like do some type of movement with your phone or iPad or iPod or tablet. Like if you wanted to fly up, move it up. If you want to fly down, move it down. And if you wanted to turn it to the side, turn it to the side like I did right now. Oh shoot. Yeah, that was actually, but oh my god, I'm doing so well. I actually already played this and I thought I was not going to do well, so I wanted to record my rage, but it's actually working out. Oh shoot, no, please don't, no, the golden star! I have to go back now. But hey, look at this city. I wonder if there even is people there. I bet you this is from Google Maps, and they just added that in. Shoot, no. Okay, come on. I like the wind, bullseye. I am flying on the streets. Okay, come on. I don't know what's the point of this game. If I'm like a police officer, like I'm supposed to be pulling up people, like yo, you need to try this out. But first, you know why I pulled you up? And I died again. I just crashed into a building. But like, I wouldn't do that in real life. I would be an expert at this if this thing was actually created. And this is a very cool game. I'll show you guys the title of this game in a little bit. Or you could just skip through the video, which I please don't want you to do that. So don't do that. Oh, no. I went to the water. No. Imagine this was like a real game. No, like in real life. Like, this would be so epic. Like, I would have like 5 of these. I'm just flying, cruising through the wind. I'm like, you jealous, everyone? And, oh, shoot. My battery's at 25%. But who cares? Let me just do something real quick. Cancel. Decline. I'll download it. Oh, shoot. It was still playing, even though I put pause. Jeez. Okay, guys, sorry you had to see that because, like, that's some behind the scenes. And behind the scenes. No. You have to do this. Come on. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Okay. Is this a bad start? I can't really control it. It's wiggly. No, it's not supposed to do that. It needs gas, which I don't even know how much gas it needs. Oh, shoot. I just pressed the thing I have to go through. I'll just go back there again. This is very boring. Okay, come on. You got this. Okay, let's go down. This is like a very cool game, I'm not gonna lie. I could just go flying around everywhere I go. 9, 8, 7, no! It's gonna end! Come on, activate this. No. I didn't even know it had like a timer on it. I didn't even know that. No. Wait, that thing has a timer. No way. Okay, so I'm just gonna go really high in the air so that way I don't crash into anything. I'm just going to go right there. Okay, let me try to balance this thing. Okay, it's pretty balanced. Oh shoot, I lost the balance. Oh shoot. But I think we can make this work without crashing into anything. Yes, we did it. Oh shoot, I think we can make it. Just have to go low for a little bit. Low, and then no. Please don't tell me that just happened. No. Well, I guess we have to go through this all over again. Well, I really love this game. It's a very cool game. I'll put the title in a little bit. Well, I'll give you guys a title right now. It's called Flying the Police Motorcycle. Well, of course. Okay. So far, so good. Okay. Come on. Go on. Find a hidden star. Found a hidden star. Okay, come on. We have to do this. Okay, so far so good. We are in the air, ladies and gentlemen. I have 21%. Final one. Okay, come on. Oh, nope. No. I don't want to go near the ground. Okay. Well, I'll just go like a little low because like I kind of need to. Well, I am like, this thing is very balanced now. I don't really know why. It's really balanced now. Okay, it's not balanced. I take it back. Oh shoot, go on, no. Did I get it? No, I didn't. You have to get that golden star, police officer. I don't know if it's the motorcycle or the user. Or the rider. Look, watch this, guys. Oh, I almost hit the ground there, but I did it. Oh, no, please don't hit the ground. Oh, shit. I almost hit that ground. Please don't hit the ball. Okay. I have to go right over here. And then I have to go. And then... Oh, now I'm very balanced. Okay. I just need to slow this bad boy down. Let's see if I can get this star. Come on. Star! No! This feels like 1 minute. Oh no, it's like 9 minutes and 40 seconds. So. Come on. Okay, I'm going for the loop again. No! Oh shoot, that was a bad idea. Okay, come on. This time. Guys, you have no idea how addicted I am to this game. Like, it's a very cool game. Like, I'm just flying around. I'm just cruising. I'm just, dabbing on the meters. Comment down below, would you rather have a fidget spinner or a bendy straw? I'd rather bendy straw. Like, dude, fidget spinners are sold like 5 hours ago. Oh shoot! Oh no! Okay, come in. Comment down below if you subscribe to SML. Shout out to SML. Super Mario Logan. It's a very cool YouTube channel. I think you should check it out because it's very cool. So, yeah. Shout out to Logan Paul, dab on this guy. I don't know who this guy's name is, but his name is Jake Paul. Like, they both have Pauls. Like, 2 Paul points. Whoa, I almost got hit there. Oh, shoot. No! Come on. You got this, right? Yeah. Okay, let me just go high. Okay. So right now we have tons of balance. Okay, this one's the one that always gets me. Probably will get me again, but not this time. Oh no! No way, I just missed it. I'm going full speed this time, guys. I'm going full speed on this thing because apparently it's not treating me right. It's supposed to be treating me like I am its owner. Well, the creator is its owner, but I am the owner of this app. It's a copy of the app. Okay, so right now I'm 50%. I might end this video right now, but no. I have to complete this stage, which I might never, ever complete. Oh, shoot. No way. What does abort mean? Ah, that's what it means. I'll just play a different level. Yeah. Let's go. Yes, the star's right there. It's like right there. Okay. Okay, come on, balance. Okay, no, I need to balance over here. Okay. Right here. Yes. Oh, no, it's one of these. Okay, let me just get back into the air. Let's just go, wait, what the? It had a time. Yes, I should end the video right here because I probably will never, ever. Oh, wait, I got the motorcycle. Okay, wait, I'm going to end it right here. How much percent do I have? 14. Okay, I'm having one more time. I'm gonna do this until... What is going on with my motorcycle? Is it supposed to be doing that? I don't think so. Okay, I wish I hadn't bought this. Whoa, what is wrong with this motorcycle? It's like all glitchy and stuff. Okay, let me just get the golden star like a boss. Golden star like a boss. Like a boss. Yes! Yes! Okay guys, I'm Andy right here. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos because I'm going to be doing some daily gameplays and daily vlogs. Well, maybe not like daily because like school has just happened and yeah, it's not